Did you know there's one fruit that can brighten your skin, protect your heart, boost your energy, and even sharpen your mind? It's not some exotic berry from the Himalayas. It's not a rare herb from the Amazon. It's something simple, natural, and surprisingly powerful. It's guava.
And today, we're diving into 15 powerful science-backed reasons why you should start drinking guava juice every single day.
Guava juice isn't just tasty and refreshing, it's a natural health elixir. It's packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your body in amazing ways. Plus, it's easy to make, super affordable, and perfect for all ages. Let's get into the juicy benefits. 1. Supercharged with vitamin C. Guava has more vitamin C than oranges. Just 1 glass of guava juice can boost your immune system and help fight off infections faster. Natural glow for your skin. Thanks to its antioxidants, guava juice helps your skin look brighter, healthier, and more youthful from the inside out. 3. Supports weight loss. Low in calories, high fiber content, especially if the pulp is retained during juicing. Guava juice keeps you full longer and helps reduce cravings naturally. 4. Balances blood sugar. With its low glycemic index, guava juice is a smart choice, even for those managing diabetes. 5. Protects your heart. Guava juice helps lower bad cholesterol and supports healthy blood pressure. Your heart will thank you. 6. Improves digestion. Feeling bloated? Guava juice contains fiber and digestive enzymes that help your gut stay happy and balanced. 7. Great for brain power. Rich in vitamins B3 and B6, guava juice helps improve concentration and memory. 8. A natural cold remedy. Its antibacterial properties make guava juice effective in soothing sore throats and speeding up recovery from colds. 9. Boosts eye health. Thanks to vitamin A, guava juice helps protect your vision and may reduce the risk of age-related eye issues. 10. Hydration hero. Refreshing and full of electrolytes, guava juice is perfect for staying hydrated on hot days or after a workout. 11. Slows down aging. Guava is full of antioxidants like lycopene, known to fight free radicals and slow down signs of aging. 13. Supports pregnancy health. Folate, iron, and calcium in guava juice make it an excellent choice for moms-to-be. 13. Strengthens oral health. Guava juice has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce gum problems and freshen your breath. 14. Fights fatigue. Feeling tired? The natural sugars and nutrients in guava juice offer a quick, healthy energy boost without the crash. 15. Easy to make at home. All you need is a few ripe guavas, water, a splash of lime, maybe a hint of honey, and you've got yourself a delicious, nourishing drink. So now you know guava juice isn't just delicious. It's a daily dose of wellness in a glass. And here's the exciting part. In my next video, I'll be talking about why eating guava every day might be even more powerful than drinking it. We'll explore the unique benefits of eating it raw, including the skin, the seeds, and more. So if you're loving guava like I do, don't miss it. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and be the first to watch it when it drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer drinking guava juice or eating guava fresh? Let's talk guava.